So we're done with the preliminary cleaning. I just wanted to get out any mold and whatnot because it was shut off without without cleaning it out. Not by me, but just the same. So I went and did a preliminary degreasing and a little bit of nice smell with that other cleaner, the Lysol, and washed it out. But once it dries, then I'll go in and hand scrub it to get all the particular, little areas that I can't reach here because I'm spraying, pointing towards the inside of the house, and water, when comes out, we don't want to get a lot of water inside the house. And it's perched sideways like that, so yeah, let me show you some other things. So that's that with the fridge, and I did the patio floor, so I painted it, and let's go in here. So I pretty much got everything cleaned out here. You can see that there's a corner right over there where I've got all my stuff, because I might still need the stuff. And over here, right by the chimney, there's another little stash of items. And but yeah, I cleaned out the bathroom, the tub, because there was grout and stuff. There was grout on the tub. So I cleaned that out. It's very humid. Let me turn off the light. And so this room, turn on the light. This room is done. I just got to essentially take out the ladder and whatnot. It's basically done. So yeah, this is done. And so is the other room, really. I'll show you the kitchen now, but the fridge is resting on that open door, which is not the best thing, but. So this room is done. That's it. Floors were cleaned out. I do have to do a little mopping, but we're good. So yeah, it's hot. So let's go to the kitchen here. And the kitchen, I do have to clean out a little bit of there and paint this little pantry area, but it's just a little bit of paint. And over here by the counter area and sink, I added a bead of black right behind it. I'm gonna have to add another bead of silicone to seal that back area out. And I cleaned the sink. The sink was full of, well, I was working, so paint, compound, grout bits and particles. It's all cleaned out. So it's all taken care of now. Oh, the fridge is perched like that. And I think I might take the blower just to speed up the drying. Right here, the blower, and blow at it to get all the particles out, the water droplets, and sort of, you know, clean it out some. But let me show you over here the house from this distance. So there she is. Lawn's cut, although I might go and shave off a little bit off the top of the lawn there anyhow. Painted, the house is. There's some spots, but that's done. And the floor here, like I mentioned, the floor. So, oh, I don't know if I ever showed you the threshold. Although that's the old threshold, I got it to work. So that's taken care of, but yeah, it's hot. Yeah, that's it. So you know what? Let's go ahead and use the blower.